Inspirational Web Development, a beginner approach. What is a web application? A web application is a piece of software that can be accessed from a browser, like youtube.com, amazon.com, eBay. And the browsers are like Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Chrome, Opera. Internet Explorer uses Trident as an engine. So let's discover what is an engine. If we open Chrome and we type udemy.com and press enter, you will see the Udemy homepage. If you right click on the page and view page source, you will see something like this code. So browser engine converts this code into this one. Internet Explorer uses Trident, Firefox uses Gecko, Safari and Chrome use WebKit, and Opera was using Presto and now it uses WebKit. So this is the engine that converts this code into this one. Great. So how do we access web applications? When we type a URL in your browser, the first thing you do is you send a DNS query to a DNS server. DNS stands for Domain Name System. So it's Domain Name System. The Domain Name System returns an IP. So you type a URL and you receive an IP from DNS server. Then you request this IP and the content you want from the server, and after reaching the server responds with an HTML code or whatever, respond with the content, and content come back to your browser. The content look like this, and the browser engine converts this code into this one. I hope you understand how web application works. Let's see this demo. We will send a DNS query, which is a ping, and we'll see what's the benefits of this query. Opening command cmd. Here we type ping udemy.com. Great. Ping in Udemy. The 104.20.74.64, this is an IP address of the server that udemy.com points to. And the TTL, you don't have to worry about what is the TTL. The time consumed to receive an IP address from the DNS server. So this ping is great when we want to know what is the server IP, and if we want to know more information about the time needed to get this IP address or whatever you want. We have two types of web pages. We have static web pages and dynamic web pages. If you look to this picture, you will see here welcome user, and here in dynamic pages welcome name, welcome Muhammad, welcome Alex, welcome Ben. So it changes. So let's see this demo. We will see an example of dynamic web pages. If I open twitter.com, here you see my profile, and if you try to open the same URL, you will get your profile, not mine. So this page is a dynamic page. Instead, we want to reach a static page. When we type www.balmav, for example.com, yeah, you will see this coming soon page. So this page is a static page. This is the difference between static pages and dynamic pages. What is the front end and what is back end? I imagine that you heard before front end and back end, but you did not know what they mean. So let's try to know what is the front end and what is back end. Front end actually is the code you receive. Here, this code, which is HTML code, some CSS we will see, and some JavaScript, this code is a front end development. Instead, there are some codes that customize this. The one that customize the code is the back end. So back end code does not appear to us. It customize your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. So front-end development programming languages. We have HTML5 as a front-end language, CSS3, and we have JavaScript. And in this course, we will talk about them. We'll talk about HTML5, we will talk about CSS3, and we will talk about JavaScript. On contrast, backend development programming languages, there are too many programming languages that the server uses. Some of them are C++, Java, Ruby, Python, PHP, MySQL, Oracle. There is a lot of bunch of backend development. What do we need for a front-end development? In this course, we will learn HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. So we need an editor. There is Notepad++, there's brackets, Coda for iOS, Sublime, Dreamweaver. Choose whatever you want. I prefer using Sublime. And in the next tutorial, you will see how to install Sublime on your machine. Thank you.